unnatural stillness settled over the Stormkeep. The constant hum of chaotic energy that had filled the air moments before was replaced by a deafening silence. You stand on the precipice, gazing down at the valley bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun. It feels like the world itself is holding its breath, savoring this fragile peace. A low tremor pulses through the ground, a faint vibration that resonates deep within your bones. A cold sweat prickles your skin, and a deep, malevolent thrum echoes from the north. The source of the chaos, the heart of the corruption, pulses within the icy grip of the northern mountains. A gust of wind whispers past, carrying with it the chilling touch of the north. It is a stark contrast to the warmth of the valley below. A lone snowflake, a harbinger of what awaits, lands on your outstretched hand, melting into a single icy drop. With a determined glint in your eye, you turn your back on the fleeting pace and begin your path northward. The symphony of chaos grows louder, a rhythmic pounding beneath the earth. The final battle is upon you, and the fate of the world hangs in the balance. And so, with a deep breath, you turn north towards the snowy peaks in the heart of the encroaching darkness.